Hello, hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. This is your guest, my Masagalik channel, a faith healer, also mata reader. So, ngayong hapon na to, tignan natin nagsabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So, this is an extended weekly gabay for the sign on Virgo. So, Virgo, welcome sa my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasagot for today's video? Kanino kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Virgo signs ang ating mga ginap. So guys, let's see anong kaganapan sa buhay mo ang ating mga ginap. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and the notification bell for more videos of Virgos. Maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo na ang hindi nag-skip ng ads na way pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapalisiksik liglig na guumapaw na biyayang manong balik sa inyo. So let's see guys, what is the messages, advices sa inyo ng ating spirit for the sign of Virgo. So let's see and watch this. Ano kaya kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Virgo signs at ang ating mga hagilap? So guys, tuklasin at bubulabugin natin in the spirit. Please give me information po. Tuklasin at alamin natin anong kaganapan sa iyo with the magical fairy messages represent what? Let's see and watch this. Angel Spirit, please give me information po. Magical fairy messages represent autumn, harvest moment. Ito na nga, diba? Unang bagsak na barahan, maaaring makakamtan mo na kung ano man yung mga bagay na pinaghirapan mo. And this is something that goodbye to the old, hello to the new. Ano man yung mga bagay na nangyari sa nakaraan, kailangan mo ng pakawalan at bitawan. Dahil may bukas at maaaring magkaroon ng panibagong simula at panibagong pag-asa. And there's something patient, please. Kailangan mo habaan ng pasensya mo. Maging kalmado ka. Huwag kang padadala ng tension mo. And this is something, whom do you need to forget? Ano yung mga bagay na kailangan pakawalan at bitawan? Yung mga negatibo or maaaring git-git galit sa puso mo. And you got the power. No, kayang-kaya mo itong baguhin. You create this situation, you have the power to change it. Ikaw yung maglalagay sa sitwasyon mo na ikabubuti mo at ikasasama mo at kayang-kaya mong baguhin ito. You can do it. So let's see. What is additional messages for Yin and Yang Oracle card? For Yin and Yang Oracle card represent what? Represent with a family, home, commitment. So, ibig sabihin dito guys, no? Ano man yung mga bagay estado sa inyong relasyon, sa inyong pagsasama, maaaring magdala sa ng pangmatagalang sitwasyon at magiging maganda na ang iyong pamilya. No, magiging maganda ng kalusugan ng pamilya, magiging maganda ng sitwasyon ng pamilya. No, or either magkakaroon ka ng bagong bahay. No, bagong tahanan. And there's a twin flame energy represents something as soulmate connection. Maaaring kumbaga may connection kayo with the divine ng person na to. No, maaaring nga itong tao na to ay maaaring twin flame mo. And this is something in empathy with a breakthrough. Maaaring magtatagumpay kayo na person mo. Maaaring magtatagumpay ka na. At there's a freedom. Makakalaya ka na at makakawala ka na sa bangungot ng nakaraan. Goodbye to the old, hello to the new. And this is something guys with a confusion. Maaaring naguguluhan ka pa dahil sa nararamdaman mo. Yung nararamdaman na yan ay normal, pero kailangan mo na yan pakawalan. So let's see what is the synchronicities represent what? First synchronicities represent what? Dito natin gatuhin natin yan para mas plakado at pasabog. First synchronicities represent what? Magician. Something manifestation. Ano man yung mga bagay na ginagawa, maaaring ma-manifest mo yan. No, kumaga there's something distorted to reality. No, maaaring ano man yung pangarap mo, maaaring magtatagumpay ka, makakalaya ka, no, at makakawala ka sa magulong mundo o magulong sitwasyon. Magiging maganda ang pamilya mo at magiging maganda na ang sitwasyon mo. And there's a brother. Now, some of you guys, no, meron ditong brother na maaaring gumagabay sa'yo. Now, some of you, baka kapatid mo, patayin na, yumao na. No, maaaring ginagawin, pinoproteksyonan ko. Or there's something brother na maaaring sumusuporta sa'yo. Or it's either this is something provider of yours. Na maaaring tinutulungan ka niya. There's a spring with a blossoming. Na maaaring lalakas ng iyong finances. And this is something guys with the Raven. Mag-ingat ka, may sa aswang tong kalaban mo. No, may sa aswang siya. No, lagi siya nakasubaybay sa'yo, lagi nakatingin siya sa'yo. Let's see what is additional messages with the Romance Angel for Mystic Love Oracle deck. And there's a reconciliation. Now, some of you guys, no, may unfinished business dito. And this is something is signed with a meaning. Malalaman mo ang kahulugan ng pag-ibig dito. And there's an anxiety. Nagkakaroon ka ng sleepless nights and worries, no? And there's a shape with a shifter mimicking. Mag-ingat kayo sa mga nagbabalat kayo. No? Yung mga akas, traidor. No? Meron dito guys ha, meron ako na sense dito na ginayuma yung person mo. Maaaring babalik to, dahil kasi yung taong nakasama niya. No? Or maaaring yung nakarelasyon niya, maaaring gumagawa, marunong makulam. No? Maaaring ginagawan ka, no? Para yung person mo ma-depress, magkaroon ng anxieties ka rin. No? Yung person mo naman balisa, di makatulog, ganon. Let's see what is the magical fire, what is Archangel Michael messages? Archangel Michael messages, innocence. Na maaaring inosente ka sa lahat na nangyayari na to. No, hindi mo pa alam yun kung ano lubos na nangyayari behind the scenes. And because this is something, use your imagination to see the answer. Okay, let's see what is additional messages. And this is something, this is your life purpose. Ito yung purpose mo sa buhay para malaman lahat ng kahalagaan at kahulugan ng sarili mo. And there's a guarded and protected. Now, pinoprotection at pinapangalagaan ng sarili mo or kailangan mo pangalagaan at protection ng sarili mo. Let's see. What is additional messages? Let's see. What is additional messages with an angel spirit guides? And because this is something, surrender to the sweetness. No, make love to life. No, mahalin mo yung buhay na ibinigay sa'yo ng ating Panginoon. No, ano man yung mga bagay na nangyari sa enjoy the show. No, enjoy what you're doing. And this is something that's lost land, soul memories and gift. No, sabi ko na nga ba, there's something soul connection with you and of course with your person. You've done this before. No, nangyari ito sa nakarang buhay mo. Maaring itong tao na ito, maaring related siya sa nakaraan mo. And there's something deep cellular killing, something physical and mental killing. No, one more card please. I remember, no? Soul plan. Sabi ko na nga, there's something soul plan. Soul plan, soul memories. Sabi ko na nga, but there's something deep soul connection. So let's see. There's something destiny and fated lie. What is additional messages with an English answer? And there's a meditation being answered. No, maaaring masasagot na lahat ng katanungan mo. And this is something romance na pagdating sa buhay pag-ibig, may taong darating, no? It's either dumating na. Within the next few weeks, sa mga susunod na linggo, parang ngayon, susunod na linggo pa darating. This is something abundance. Na magkakaroon ka na kasaganahan. Or ngayon, mga bagay na mangyayari sa susunod na linggo. Let's see what is additional messages with an angel spirit. And of course, there's something growth. Magkakaroon ka ng growth and expansion. At the same time, there's something service. Some of you guys, public servant. No, maaaring may mga tinutulungan kang tao, may mga taong sinisilbihan ka, na mas malalawak pa yung access mo, kakayanan, kaalaman mo. What is within the next, what is additional messages? And there's a changes. No, unti-unti nang babaguhin yung buhay mo, no, yung sitwasyon mo. Let's see what is additional messages. And there's a balance. No, magiging balance ka na physical, mental, emotional. No, magiging maganda rin situation mo dito. What is the chakra messages represent what? For the chakra, there's a despondence. No, meron talagang taong gusto sa yung mabaliw ka. No, dinadaan ka with anxiety and depression. Maging aware ha, there's a bittersweet. May paitatamis na tagumpay dito. And some of you, there's an instinct, tamang intuition, matama ka ng hinala. Kung sino tong tao na to. And there's a destiny to happen. So see, there's something a destiny and fated life talaga, guys. No, ang ganda. It's all about soul, a deep soul connection. And of course, may message tayo out of that. No, there's a deep soul connections. So let's see what is additional messages. And there's a daydream, imaginations, no? Palawakin mo tong imagination mo, makikita mo lahat ng kasagutan sa lahat ng katanungan mo. There's a problem solving. I told you. Diba? Masusolusyon na yung mga problema mo. Lahat ng mga pinagdadaanan mo, unti-unti mo na maliliwanagan. And there's a cleansing with a clarity. Liliwanagin to lahat sa'yo. Okay, let's see. What is additional messages with an angel spirit? And because this is something guys with a moonstone with a mystery and intuitions mo, makinig ka sa gut feeling mo, makinig ka sa vibrations mo, hindi ka ililigaw nito. Tama lahat ng mga bagay na nasa isip mo. Let's see. What is additional messages, no? With an angel spirit for romance angels. For romance angel, represent what? Represent with let your friends help you. Hayaan mo yung mga kaibigan mong tulungan ka. No? Hayaan mo yung mga kaibigan mong bigyan ka ng something advices, ganyan. And this is something it's safe for you to love. No, safe ka naman daw pag nagmamahal. Totoo ba? Let's see, one more card please. And this is something flirt. So kailangan kumbaga sa pag-ibig kailangan harot-harot din ha. If you are being single. No, if you're being taken, so harutin mo yung jowa mo, asawa mo. Huwag kang umarot ng iba. What is additional messages with Archangel Raphael? As your body for massage. No? Kailangan mo rin ng massage, sabi ng ating Archangel Raphael. And there's a relationship, no? Pagagalingin na ng ating Archangel Raphael, no? Ang kalagayan pagdating sa relasyon. No, maaaring may mga bagay na nasaktan ka, nagbitbit ng ngit-ngit at galit sa'yo. And this is something light and love. Bibigyan liwanag ang buhay pag-ibig mo. Diba? No, tungkol din sa pag-ibig din yung ine-eksena nito. And this is something writing. So, ibig sabihin dito, may mga bagay na kailangan mong matutunan. Lahat ng dapat ay hinumin na. No, ano yung mga bagay na nalaman mo, nasaktan ka, naging trauma sa'yo, kailangan mo na pakawalan yan. What is the energy? Represent what? Women in holding a coin. Some of you guys know, if you were a woman, ikaw yung may hawak ng finances. If you were a man, you present mo yung marunong mahawak ng finances. And there's a door to the personal killing and happiness. Bukas sa pintuan para sa kagalingan, kaligayahan, and this is something envy. Maraming insekurada. No, maraming mga impostor, no? There's something impostor, manloloko, traidor. No? Let's see what is the Monsology. A fairy climax approaches. No, ibig sabihin dito na sa exciting part ka na. Kasi malalantad na kung sinong traidor, sinong Judas sa buhay mo. And don't let pride get in your way. Alisin mo yung pride dito and ego. And work through your fears, kailangan palaban ka. Alisin mo yung takot at pangamba mo. What is the Jesus loving quote said? A Jesus loving quote said, represent as and shall be given to you. No? Lumapit ka sa ating Panginoon, ibibigay yung mga bagay karapat dapat para sa iyo. And if was this something whosoever shall do, will all my Father which in the heaven, the same in my brother and my sister and my mother. Ano naman yung mga bagay na ginagawa mo? Tulad ng ginagawa ng ating Panginoon, ganun din dapat daw ang ginawa mo sa iyong pamilya. So let's see. What is clarifying for love situation represent what? Clarifying for love situation represent awake rebirth. One more card please. May tinalisip. No? And this is something awakened rebirth, na magigising ka sa bagong eksena. Become a conscious, stay awake, and embrace the renewal of your essence. So, para magigising ka sa katotohanan. Mamumulat ka sa lahat na nangyayari sa isang kasalukuyan. Pace of leisure, resist the rush, adapt slower stride, and savor each moment essence. No? There's some essence talaga eh. No? Ibig sabihin dito talagang kailangan na maging makinahon ka. Huwag kang padalos-dalos, no? Kailangan mong ingatan, no? Yung damdamin. Not yung nararamdaman. And this is something will win, no? Don't get caught up in the drama. Choose peace. No? Iwasan mo yung drama. Iwasan mo yung mga chismosa marites. Yung mga taong mag-feeling victim. No? Ibig sabihin dito, dapat tanda ka, no? Natanggapin lahat ng mga bagay na past is past, never come back. No, hindi mo na kailangan balikan pa just to move on, no? Kailangan mo nang humarap sa totoong buhay. Let's see what is the part of the life. Part of the light represent positive thinking. My life is filled with a small moment of light. I choose to focus on the things that brings me a joy and a happiness. With each positive thought, my mind is gentle, calm, and I invite more peace and light into my life, allowing it to guide me towards stability. So see, alam mo sa sarili mo, positibo ka sa lahat ng eksena. No, inaalis mo yung lahat ng mga kabiguan, negatibo sa buhay mo, and there's a release. Ito nga, diba? Tinatanggal mo, inaalis mo, alam mo guys, na marunong ka na ngayon magtanggal ng mga negatibo at marunong ka na talagang pakawalan. No, yung mga taong alam mo hindi nagsiserve sa'yo. That's good. I no longer struggles with the fear or the changes of life. I take control of my thoughts and embrace each stage of my journey. I focus on what I can change and surrender what I cannot to the divine, trusting the process. I believe that everything will unfold as it should. No? Ito yung sinasabi na, alam mo sa sarili mo na ibibigay sa'yo kung karapat-dapat nga ba. No? Kumbaga, tatanggalin na alisin sa'yo yung mga bagay na hindi karapat-dapat ay pagkakalob sa'yo. Yung mga bagay na para sa'yo talaga. No? So, let's see, what is the lies beneath with the hidden future ng mga bagay na katago sa hinaharap mo? Ano yung mangyayari sa'yo sa kasalukuyan mo? Sa kapalaran mo? Alamin na natin yan. Betrayal. Some of you guys na nagkaroon talaga dito ng betrayal. Taksil. No? At meron talagang tuso at meron talaga ditong impostor, no, na sumisira ng situation na to. No, may backstab talaga at kumbaga sinayang tiwala mo. There's a tantric sex. Some of you guys no, parang sinulot, parang there's something religious factor na maaaring obsessed to sa person mo. Malakas ang atake. What is a shadow work? Surface and what? And this is something guys with stubborn, flexibility and resolve and growth. No, I can denote perseverance, but also it is also my hinder progress. No, kumbaga nagtsatsaga ka sa lahat ng mga bagay na nangyayari at tinatago mo. No, kung ano man yung mga bagay na nangyayari. Kumbaga nagkaroon ka ng privacy din dito. No, kumbaga nasolusyonan mo at nalaman mo kung paano ka magiging flexible sa lahat ng sitwasyon. So let's see what is additional messages. Now with an angel's number represent what? With an angel's number represent 1515 to the big break. This is the moment. No, pagkakaloob na an opportunity, help, extra cash, or other support is coming your way. So keep going, have fun. When performing your task, the most tremendous success comes from passion. All effort will be rewarded big time. So see, makakamtan mo ang tunay na tagumpay dito, no? May bibigyan ng opportunity sa maaaring na sa tamang proseso ka na. Malapit mo na makamtan and you got the power. What is the messages of life represent what? Self-love. So, kailangan alamin, mahalin yung sarili mo, alagaan yung sarili mo. Today, I love myself fully. I accept myself exactly as I am. I am able to recognize my own divinity and to appreciate the purity of my soul. I take time to take care of myself. I enjoy myself. I nourish myself. I am kind of for myself. I am grateful for who I am. Taray ha. Tinanggap mo yung sarili mo ng buong buo, even your flaws. Pasabog ka dyan. So, let's see what is the angel's messages for money matter. Ito naman na alamin natin pagdating sa pagkakaperahan. Represent with investment. Some of you guys know may investment dito at pero maging wais ka. No, kung kanino at kung saan ka mag-i-invest. Investment will have a positive result that will bring prosperity. And this is something fruit of labor. So see, ano man yung mga bagay na pinaghirapan mo, makakamtan mo to. It's time to reap the fruits of your labor and become rich. Ay talaga, magiging mayaman ka dito. And star power. No, step into the spotlight. Kayang-kaya mo, di ba? You got the power to change your life from the fullest. Become an ex-influencer of the company and earn fame, popularity. Some of you guys, no? Meron ditong influencer, no? Na maaaring, kumbaga malalaman mo na yung parang, kumbaga doors are opening for you for new adventures, no? Kumbaga, some of you meron dito naghirap tapos nagkakaroon dito ng pag-asenso dahil sa pagbablog, no? So let's see, what is the additional messages with the soul connections? Ito na, no? Dito na natin malalaman About sa soul connection represent what? Confusion. Some of you guys naguguluhan pa pagdating sa relasyon. All seekers or truth experience confusion as the divine to provide the answer you need. Kasi hindi mo pa nakukuha yung kasagutan sa lahat ng katanungan pagdating sa buhay pag-ibig. No, napakalim ng pinanggagalingan dito. And there's a deeply, sabi ko na nga ba, ang lalim eh. Look deeply within to discover your soul purpose in your relationship. May hinahanap ka eh. May hinahanap ka pagdating sa relasyon. Yun yung bagay na hindi mo pa rin makita. And there's a let go. Hayaan mo siyang mangyari. Hayaan mo siyang kusang ibigay at kusang ipagkaloob. Sometimes it's best to let go and let go the universe work things out of the divine timing. So see, ibig sabihin, bibigay sa'yo ng ating Panginoon yung mga bagay na para sa'yo talaga. So let's see what is the confession message represent what? Represent with a love. Diba? Sinasabi dito guys, no? I want to make love to you which you have never experienced before. I want to miss you in every way possible with you. I just want us to know each other like no one else before us has ever known. Your touch, your voice really heals me. So see, pati yung boses niya, ibig sabihin, yung boses mo daw, no? Ibig sabihin dito, sinasabi niya dito na gusto niya sabihin na ano man yung mga bagay na naranasan yung dalawa, no? Na iba yung naranasan niya sa ibang tao, na iba yung kilig at pagmamahal na naramdaman niya, no? Even your voice and even your action, iba sa naramdaman niya with other person. Oh, there's something love. Okay, one more card, and this is something, hold me. Gusto nitong hawakan mo siya, no? Gusto niya nito magstay ka sa kanya. I need to feel your arms around me. Things are not right in my world and I am longing for embrace today. Please send me your love so that I know everything will be okay. So, see, parang gusto nitong sabihin mo na magbibigay na kapanatagan sa kanya, na mahal mo siya, na hindi ka bibitaw, no? Nalalaban ka. Ganon. Pasabog ka dito. So, let's see. What is an angel's number? Ay, angel's messages with a pick a card, yes or no question. So, handa ka na bang pumili, no? Na magiging tanong mo at magsisilbing kasagutan with a yes or no? Okay. Mag-isip ka na guys ng question mo. Andito ang kasagutan sa katanungan mo. Pumili ka dito with a 1, 2, 3. Okay? With a 1, 2, 3. Pili na guys. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Let's start na tayo with the number 1. There's a yes. Beauty and growth surround you. Cherish it. No? Kung mag-enjoy mo yung pagmamahal at ganda ng buhay na ibinibigay sa'yo, and there's a yes. Magiging maganda na raw ang kapaligiran mo, magiging maayos ang sitwasyon mo. And this is something we don't know with the unfinished business. Look and restless. Ibig sabihin dito, mayroon pang hindi tapos, no, yung pag-iibigan at pagmamahalan, na parang hindi, may mga bagay na natapos na lang ng ganun-ganun na lang, na gusto mo pa rin, kumbaga, mag-umpisa pero hindi na pwede. No, gusto mo pa rin ilaban pero hindi na pwede. And there's a yes with a binding the star, first blush bursting out of the scene. Ibig sabihin dito, hayaan mo mag-grow ka. No, at magiging maganda na rin yung sitwasyon mo, may pag-asa na muli kang yumabong, muling gumanda ang sitwasyon mo. So guys, this is extended weekly gabay for the month of April 8 hanggang April 14 for the sign of Virgo. So Virgo, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So once again, this reading is a reading namin dili at makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. And hit notification bell for more videos, updates. Maraming salamat po. Sa mga walang sawang pag-support sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang dinigi-skip ng ads, saway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal siksik liglig na guumapaw na biyayang manang balik sa inyo. At maraming salamat po. And see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush.